Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's AXS video update. And what's the full name of this? Axis Infinity or what? Now, guys, this to me is like pleasing to the eyes. I mean, watching this coin at this very point of time is just beautiful. Okay, really beautiful setup right now. And this is gonna be a quick update once again, guys. And all I see is a nice good double bottom on the daily, and if you take this level to that level, what I'm going to tell you is that this is looking to take you from there to there. That's going to be a nice price increase of all the way to the $108. Okay, so you are looking for a nice good pump from here to here, which is going to be 51% to the upside. Now we do know that this also affects SLP, so we might even see SLP making some nice good move. And there is a game release coming in soon for the desktop version of the Origins as well. Now it does make sense to go up there because you're gonna find a resistance, because previously you did have resistance. Now if you do manage to break out the resistance and then you move, then it's gonna take you to some next level, which is gonna be potentially the all-time high at the 164, across the 164, and up you go, guys. That's it. You're gonna move really good. And one more thing to confirm that price target is, if I dive in into the 3 hour time frame here, we also have a bull flag. So if I take this bull flag, like this one, right, guys, so this is where you're breaking out of the bull flag. So if you take the top potentially to your bottom right there, the bull flag actually takes you again near the technical target. So we are looking for the 106 in the near short term. And that's it for this simple update, guys. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.